Hey guys, welcome to the Forex market analysis session. My name is Alexander Nikitin. I'm a professional trader and the developer of the MPS5 pattern recognition software. In today's video, I will analyze Forex pairs. I will analyze some commodities, maybe some Bitcoins and Litecoins to find the high probability setups, high probability opportunities that may happen soon. Okay, let us start, and the first pair that I want to check is this in my list. It is dollar Swissy. I just open this and then I go to hit change something. What I wish is price extremes, and then I go to display cipher and a butterfly, yes, deep crab butterfly. Okay, and a unified godly. Okay, cool. So here are the settings for that, the dollar Swissy 1 hour, and I will save the template as how can I call it, Forex. Wonderful. So next time I just load the template of Forex, and of course I need to download some data here. Okay, so what we have on this pair? First of all, we have a potential unified godly on 1 hour. It is far from completion. We didn't yet didn't break the B point, so nothing to be said here. Okay, on 4 hour, a potential cipher pattern. This is a good pattern, one of the patterns that has the high probability of a reversal. So wait for price to complete the pattern like this, and somewhere here within this zone, execute short. Use your favorite execution technique, what you tested, what is good for you. Okay. Now let's go to some other pair, maybe pound dollar, and then I will use the template of Forex. So you see it. Okay, so what I have on this pair is this unified godly on 1 hour. I already set my limit order. It is resting to execute my favorite technique. As for 4 hour, we have nothing, and well, that's it. Now let's go to Eurodollar. Maybe Eurodollar is mirror pair to dollar Swissy. Basically they coincide, and let's use the template of Forex. So with this Forex algorithm, we have a potential unified godly to the upside, the same bearish unified godly as we have with dollar Swissy. By the way, they should be mirror. Okay, on 4 hour we have nothing on Eurodollar. Then what else? What other pair? Oh, let me check them all. I'll just go here. Template is Forex. Okay, on dollar yen we have nothing, and 4 hour we have nothing. Nice. Let's go to dollar Canadian. We will use the Forex template. Okay, so what we have on this pair? Basically we have this unified godly, a bit far from completion, but still, if it goes there, it will give us a high probability setup. On 4 hour we have nothing. Let me close it. And Aussie dollar chart window, Forex algorithm. By the way, the algorithm can be changed here as well. Simply switch between group 1 or maybe group 2, whatever you wish. Just use what you have backtested and what you're confident with. The same with pattern, group 1, group 2. Okay. Wow, so a potential unified gotlet that already completed on Aussie dollar, and it is moving to the downside. I think that's enough for Forex pairs. Let's analyze something else, not Forex. Argentum, it is silver. Okay, so let's go, choose the template to Prex. Okay, and you see silver is consolidating slightly in this upside channel, and we have a winner after winner, a winner after winner. Wonderful, yes? So winning butterfly, followed by a winning cipher, followed by a winning butterfly, followed by another winning cipher, and followed by another butterfly that already started the movement. So executing short is a good plan for this pair. Okay, let me upload this download the data. So what we have on 4 hour, a potential cipher pattern if it moves lower, only if it moves lower. Well, that's it. Daily 1 hour is showing wonderful consolidation period with multiple patterns, so just great to trade in. As for gold, Aurum is gold. Let's go to change the settings to Prex. A number of patterns, unified Gotli, and unified Gotli here. I would be looking at this too, the one that completes here, yes, and the one that completes here, from here, and it is lower. So if price goes here, look for sell, and if price goes here, look for buy. Two opportunities. And again, we are consolidating a bit. The consolidation is seen on 4 hour time frame. You see this sideways movement. Okay, then let's go to something else. Bitcoin, wonderful. Why not? The patterns work on every time frames, every pairs. Let's go to Prex algorithm. Okay, so what do we have on 1 hour Bitcoin? A potential cipher pattern. Wonderful. If it goes lower to complete the pattern, then we have a cipher. And on 4 hour, let me check if we have the data. Have nothing. Let's go to daily. On daily, this potential unified Gotli if price goes higher. Well, I'm inclined for bearish on this pair. First of all, we have this kind of movement, and if price goes here, you see how good it coincides with this triangle. I'm a bit bearish for this asset. Ethereum, let's go to check Ethereum, and again I need Prex algorithm. 1 hour, 4 hour, a potential cipher pattern. Nice situation, a high probability setup on Ethereum. So if price declines to this level, somewhere here, expect a bounce to the upside. Very simple, if you know what to look at. Litecoin is my next victim to be analyzed. So what do we have on this pair? Let us choose the algorithm. We have a unified Gotli that won something. Then we have a potential cipher as well. Well, no, it's no surprise. These coins actually coincide, they are moving synchronized manner. So if price goes here, then execute buying. If price goes lower. Okay, now let's move to something else. Let's go to commodities. Brent. The Brent Forex. I will load some data to be analyzed. Okay, on 1 hour nothing. 4 hour potential cipher pattern, but it is very far from completion. And on daily we have nothing. Basically oil was consolidating for a period of time, so you can see the consolidation is over and now we have an uptrend. At least Brent has an uptrend. Let's go to WTI. Again, need to download the template. Nothing is here. Once again, a butterfly pattern already completed. Butterfly advanced formation. Sorry guys, it's not a butterfly pattern. It already completed. But if you are a fan of harmonic patterns and you prefer to trade harmonic patterns but not advanced formations, of course you can simply switch that to harmonic patterns and you will have it this way. So switch godly, maybe disable crabs, sharks, and deep crabs. So what looks like a butterfly pattern with advanced formation is actually a deep crab with harmonic patterns. Okay, here it is, WTI 4 hour, 1 hour, and again I don't think to have a reversal here, just small pullback and completion, continuation to the upside. Something similar to this. We had small pullback and then continue, or similar to this. We had small pullback and then continue. So something similar to this, small pullback and then continue. But this pullback actually is something that gives you an edge. You know that you have at least to test previous resistance. You have some space and you can generate profits knowing it, that you have a high probability. Okay, let's go to CAC 40. CAC. I'll download the data for other time frames. Potential butterfly advanced formation, very far from completion, it may never go there. Of course, nothing on 4 hour. And on daily we have a wonderful consolidation period. Those consolidations are very fruity to give patterns, so they are bleeding patterns, winner after winner, and then again potential winner. So this consolidation is something that you should obviously pay attention, and basically consolidations are traded this way. So from one border to another border, from one border to another border. It may have a form of a pattern, yes, or it may not have any form of the pattern, but knowing when you are in consolidation or in a trend gives you enormous advantage. Okay, what else? Maybe Nikkei. Again, the template of Forex. Consolidation on top gives us some patterns, and this is a butterfly advanced formation. I will download the data. Okay, so what do we have here? On 4 hour nothing, and on daily a butterfly pattern that was already invalidated. So when the pattern is invalidated, you see these large candles. When you see these large candles, you just get out. More similar to this, you see these large candles. FTSE, DAX 30. Let's analyze that as well. And we need this Forex. So 1 hour nothing, 4 hour download, daily download. Okay, on 4 hour nothing, and daily. Again, daily is bleeding patterns because it is consolidating, and on daily we have this butterfly winner, and now we have a potential cipher pattern that is setting up. So if price goes here, yes, somewhere within this zone, expect a selling opportunity. And again, it is basically the same, just support resistance trading. Okay, FTSE 100, open the chart window. Now let me use the template, so I will download the data for other time frames. Okay, on 1 hour we have nothing that is setting up. 4 hour, after this consolidation that gave us a number of patterns, we now have nothing. And daily, well, daily is nothing as well. Well, that's it for today. I tried to analyze different assets, maybe euro rubles, ruble pairs, different assets, Forex, commodity, coins, whatever, Forex algorithm. So we'll go 30 minutes. I will download other time frames. So on 1 hour nothing, on 4 hour nothing. Had a number of patterns when it was consolidating, but right now we are in an uptrend. And 4 hour is nothing as well. Sorry, daily is nothing as well. USD, ruble, going to hit Forex template. Okay, I will download the data for other time frames. Okay, on 1 hour we have nothing. 4 hour, potential unified Gartley. It had some small bounce to the downside, you can see it, and then it reverses to the upside. And now on daily we have that movement. So you see these gaps, you see these large candles, they are signs of potential violation of a pattern. But if you are a harmonic pattern trader, then you could have a different setup. Now you have the same. So I mean the butterfly. The butterfly was the same and it was invalidated as well. Okay, that's it for dollar ruble. Well guys, try to analyze as many assets as possible. Coins, metals, indicatives, some Forex pairs. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. If you are interested in this MPS 5 pattern recognition software, the one that I demonstrated in this video, hit the link in the description to learn more. The link is www.ps-software.net. If you wanna learn these patterns for free, you're welcome to visit my website www.ps-software.net. Click this Learn the Patterns tab, here it is, and you will get absolutely free trading courses. So let me click one of them. For example, this scrap pattern trading course. So you have the diagram, you have criteria 1, criteria 2, criteria 3 for identification, you have trade execution rules and trade management rules, which is very important to have all three: identification, trade execution and trade management. Then, okay, if you wish to contact me, just hit me a message on TradingView. You can find me here in this top authors, top traders list, or just type something, people Alexander _ Nikitin, and here I am, and you can then send me a message. Well, that's it. Hope you liked the video. See you next time.